Later, while traveling, he fell into a rapid and his leg got trapped between two rocks. Rescue workers tried their best to save him, but his leg was firmly stuck. Because the water was so cold, his body began to fail. The rescuers gave him hot water to keep him warm and worked hard to pry the rocks apart. But after 20 hours, they still couldn't free him, and in the end, they had no choice but to use a saw to amputate his leg. He was airlifted to the hospital and eventually recovered. Now he has completed this journey. In the next episode of Science Popularization, how do Indian hospitals test for pregnancy? This is definitely the luckiest Brother Wah in the world. This Brother Wah has become obsessed with playing games in VR. He plays endlessly, and the living room at home is his virtual battlefield. His mother confiscated his VR equipment, and Brother Wah went on a hunger strike to protest against his mother. One day, the whole family was waiting for the train at the platform. He was wearing his VR headset, playing a game, when he suddenly did a backflip to dodge an enemy, and accidentally slipped onto the tracks. As the train roared past, everyone thought he was done for. But after the train passed, the boy was actually still alive and even did a little dance. It turned out the train had passed over him with just a few inches to spare. Junior Wah was playing a new VR firefighting game, dragging a virtual hose to save people in a virtual world. Just now he had beaten the game's new difficulty level. At that moment, his mother suddenly burst into the room, scolding him for being addicted to games. That very afternoon, while his mother was cooking, the stove suddenly caught fire and smoke filled the entire kitchen. His mother was panic-stricken, frozen on the spot. But Junior Wah recalled everything he had learned in the VR game. Turn off the source of the fire, stay low, and smother the flames. A few minutes later, the fire was put out. He saved his mother. His mother sat in the ambulance looking at Junior Wah with gratitude.